Hey, welcome to another one of our episodes. Today we're going to make Dr Pepper ribs. And we've got some St. Louis style ribs, and we're going to cook them hot and fast in this big easy oilless fryer. Now this cook should only take 2 hours to 2.5 hours, so I hope you stay with me. I've got 2 racks. I've cut them in half roughly, not exactly. For our rub today, I'm just going to use this Stubb's pork. What's important when you're using this Big Easy is you want to use a rub that's low in sugar because it does cook higher and the outside of the ribs will burn. For this particular rub, sugar is the 3rd ingredient, on the ingredients list. So it is lowered in sugar. In fact, what I would suggest is you stay away from any rub where the 1st ingredient is sugar. I have removed the membrane. I pretty much always remove the membrane when I'm making pork ribs on the back of these guys. So all I'm going to do is season both sides. Then we'll get some hooks in them and get them on this Big Easy. This cook is really easy when you use this Char-Broil Big Easy, no pun intended. Alright, so we're all seasoned up here. Just going to get some hooks in these guys. I've made a ginormous mess here on the table. Then I'll get this basket out. Now I've already got the Big Easy on. I always preheat it. It's on high. Okay. There's our basket. And all you want to do is you want to hang these, the bone side inward, just like so. So you can see, that one's already going through the bottom. So what I'm going to do is tighten it up. Grab another rib so it's not hitting the bottom. That's about as good as we can get it. All right. We'll get all 4, or it's 2 racks, but all 4 halves in our basket. Now it's 80-some degrees here in Florida today. So we definitely don't want to use the lid on this guy. You put the lid on, like I say, it's going to be a 2-hour cook, maybe 2.5 hours. You put the lid on, you're going to fry the outside of these ribs before they're done. So make sure you just leave that lid off. And again, the Big Easy oilless fryer is cranked all the way up on high. Right at 90 minutes. Look at the color. I don't know if you can see that. The sun is in the background there. What I'm going to do is move them over here where you can see the color better. So I hope you can see that. Look, the color is just gorgeous on these things. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait. I can't get over how beautiful the color is on them. We haven't put a sauce on them or anything yet. Now, I thought about making a homemade Dr. Pepper sauce. And for those of you that want to do that, I'm going to put a couple of links in the video description so you can make your own if you want. I'm going to use the Stubb's Dr. Pepper. In fact, my original plan, I was going to do half with the Stubb's, and I was going to make a homemade one for half. I got to tell you, I just don't have time. It's already about 5 o'clock. So all we're going to do, and I'm just going to do the top sides. No need to do the bottom where the bone is. It's not that much meat there. And we've got it up against the basket anyway. So we're going to let these go for maybe 15 to 30 more minutes. While that's going on, I got to go find that dang puppy of mine, Sadie. She just took off out the door here. Anyway, so all I'm going to do is finish. Oh, here she comes. She's coming back all on her own. Okay, so we got the sauce on there, and we're going to put them back in the basket. I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and put some sauce on the back. Why not? Let's give it a try. Looks like it's going to be fairly easy to do. Okay. Let me see, are they hot? No, I can get them back in there. Okay, so I am going to do both sides after I said I wasn't. And then I'll get them back in this basket. I'm just going to drop these guys back in there, and like I mentioned, or I hope I mentioned, it'll be 15 minutes to 30 minutes more. Just keep an eye on the sauce. Then we're going to give them a try. Okay, we went for 90 minutes, and now I've gone another 20 minutes, and this sauce looks like it's getting dark enough. So we're just 10 minutes short of 2 hours. Let's get these guys off of here. Now look at the color. Color is absolutely beautiful. Just going to get each of these half racks off of here. We're going to let them cool down a little bit. And then you know the drill, right? We're going to give them the old taste test. Alrighty, these ribs been here. Resting for 10 minutes. Okay. Let me just cut a couple of them off. Show you what they look like up close. Alright, I mean obviously there's not going to be any smoke ring because we didn't smoke them. That's what they look like. They got a beautiful color on the outside. We're going to give one of these guys a try. I hope you can see. I know the sun's in the background and messes up the camera. Oh wait, I'm not sure if I got a good taste yet. I gotta tell you, it's really interesting. That's the first time I've had Dr Pepper sauce. It's got the Dr Pepper, you can definitely taste it. But it's mild, it's faint, it's in the background. It's delicious. We've got a nice crunch on the outside of those ribs. That's what you get when you use that Big Easy. The outside is always awesome. The inside of the rib is nice, tasty. You know, like I say, you don't get the smoke flavor, so you know, but we're not smoking them, right? We're making them in the Big Easy oilless fryer. Not everybody has a smoker. Not everybody can wait for the amount of time it takes. Maybe you're going to need to speed it up. We did this in less than 2 hours. Awesome. I'll make this again in the Big Easy. I'll use the same sauce. I'll make it on the smoker. It's delicious. If you got any questions or comments about this recipe, I hope you'll leave them down in the comment section below. If you're not a subscriber already, please hit that armadillo pepper icon. That'll get you subscribed. You'll see every video we do. We really would appreciate that. Thanks for watching.